Why YouTube? YouTube is an American video sharing website started in 2005 by three former PayPal employees. Google bought the site in 2006 for $1.65 billion. In 2017, estimates said that if YouTube were a stock, it would be worth somewhere around $75 billion at least. The highest earning YouTube star is just 7-year-old. His name is Ryan. You could check the channel Ryan Toys Review with $22 million earning per year. Now, if you convert that to Indian rupees, it's somewhere around 150 crores per year. Isn't that great? So you could check the link Forbes 2018. Some of the Indian top earners: Technical Guruji, who makes videos on electronic gadgets; Amit Badana, BBK Wines; Ashish Chanchanali Wines. These guys create humorous content. Nisha Madhulika, who is into cooking, and many more. So there are many YouTube creators who have been earning great money from YouTube. Okay. YouTube has over 1.8 billion users. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, just behind Google. Now you would be wondering why YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. The reason is, if I have some issue with my system, I could search on YouTube how to fix that. It's easy to understand by watching a video, right? So that's how it becomes the second largest search engine in the world. You can navigate YouTube in total 76 different languages. The number of channels earning 6 figures per year on YouTube is up by 40% year on year. So that just indicates that the number of YouTubers earning 6 figures per year has been increasing year on year. Okay. So isn't that great? Why we should consider YouTube as a business? It is, right? I have given below the link for Forbes 2018 article. Go through that article and comment below what is that you understand from this top 10 YouTube earners. Okay. Comment below what do you understand from that. Let's continue.